I have a record of everything in this notebook, especially the dates of the mating and the kidding season. So we have here March 7, Whitney, that is mating. February 2020 also for Melky and Anane. Next page is we have here November and December mating. And down below is May 25th and August and September mating. So, yun ang mga records ko sa aking mga kambing. Sa tuwing lumalandi sila, okay, yun ang yung mga petsa kung saan nakastahan sila. So, when is the breeding season in the Philippines? To me lang, no? And by the way, I'm not an expert farmer, no? I'm still new to farming. But, in my experience, there are 3 breeding seasons in 1 year. Why? It is because some of the goats were in heat in the month of February, March, and another goat in May. Then some of the other goats were in heat in the month of August and September, the November and December. So that's why I've said that there are 3 breeding seasons in 1 year. Kasi ang mga kambing ko ay hindi silang lahat lumalandi sa isang buwan. Just like this month, only Paula and Mama's goat were in heat. In last month, we have also 2 goats in heat. Tinatawag ko siyang my 3 breeding season and 1 year sa mga kambing. And na-learn ko lang ito dito sa pag-aalaga ko ng more than 1 goat. So, siguro, may mga magtatanong sa inyo kung alin sa mga buwan na nabanggit ang pinaka-the best. Well, guys, for us here in the province, any time is the best time talaga. As long as the goat that in heat is in good health and she is in heat naturally.